Hi everyone! Ako po ulit si Juan Alvin Gabagat, ang inyong accredited loan specialist ng Global Dominion. Nandito po tayo sa may Visayas branch ng Global Dominion at malalaman po natin ano po yung mga requirements for your Sangla or CR needs. Branch manager, we have Hannah, ma'am.
Okay, so sa requirements, simple lang. No? Ang kailangan lang po natin is ORCR and then updated yung OR. Tapos, 2 valid IDs and then proof of income. So, sa proof of income, tinatanggap po natin yung employment or business. So, kung employment, hiningi natin is COE, 3 months latest payslip, and then 3 months latest payroll bank statement. And then, for business naman, kailangan lang po natin is DTI and business permit, and then yung 3 months latest payroll bank statement.
Ayun. So, ang tanong din is, magkano yung interest rate kapag magsasangla po kami ng aming ORCR?
So, our interest rate can be as low as 1.25%. Depends on the year model of the unit.
And ma'am, last question po, napaka-important nito. Kukuhain po ba yung unit ng inyong sasakyan kapag magsasangla?
Since ORCR lang naman ang collateral, sir, hindi naman po kailangan kunin yung unit. ORCR lang po ang kinukuha. Yun po ang tatandaan natin na ayun lang po.
Ayun. So,